Holding on your road, got me 10 feet off the ground. Oh yeah. And I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. No. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, you tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around and say
that it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Said it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
yeah, yeah. I'll take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. One shot. Yeah. No more. And I need you like a heart needs a beat, but it's nothing new. Yeah, yeah. I love you with the fire red, now it's turning blue. You say sorry like the angel, heaven let me think it was you. But I'm afraid
it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late.
Alright, there we go. Alright, track, you know. Apologize, man. You know. Let's go. Let's go. Jerry. Let's go. Jerry. Too late to apologize.
Too late.
Too late. Yeah.
I said
I said it's too late to apologize.
It's
It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. Yeah. Too late. I'm holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the ground.
What? This is so gay.
Yeah.
What? That was so gay.
That was all you.